All right, so let's learn how to use the slab roller. So this is Sally, the slab roller. She's really, really old. I would guess she's about 25 or 30 years old. So I tell you this is because we do really have to treat her with kindness and care. Otherwise we will break her, and then it's gonna be really hard to do this stuff with clay. So how the slab roller works. We have this cloth. This is how it should look. To begin, you're gonna take this cloth and you're just gonna gently place it over like this. We don't wanna just slam it over because then we're gonna get a lot of clay dust coming up. So typically when you get your clay for the first time, it's gonna be pretty smooth like this. If your clay is nice and smooth and flat like this, we can just go ahead and put it on the slab roller. Now notice that there is a piece of paper here. If there's a piece of paper here, you are just gonna put your clay right on top of it, no big deal. The reason why the paper is here at times is because if a lot of us are using this, it's gonna create moisture on the slab roller, and if too many people are using it, the clay is just going to stick. So you'll just typically put it right on top of that paper. Now, if you had to ball up your clay and you have to start again and your clay looks something like this, we do not just wanna put it on the slab roller like this. What we are going to do is you're going to take this and you're gonna flatten it out, okay? So now, it's not as flat as this one here, but it's in a much better place than when it was all balled up. So you can see here that I'm actually gonna roll this out with 2 pieces on it. So instead of just doing 1 at a time, we'll typically do 2 or 3 pieces at a time so that we can really maximize the use. So when we do that, I would just put this one here. We don't wanna put it here because then it would run into each other. So if we were to have 3 pieces of clay, we'd keep this one here, I'd put the second one here, and then the third one here, okay? We're just gonna do 2 right now. So when we're ready to roll, we're gonna put the cloth back over, and we are just going to start rolling the handle. Now when we do this, we are not going to do this super fast. We don't need to do it like so slow. We don't wanna do it so fast because it is going to kind of hurt the slab roller a little bit. So just do it slow and steady. And now, you will feel when you go through the clay, so I don't need to go all the way down to the bottom. So I'm just gonna roll it back and really watch out for your hands. You do not wanna roll your hands over this because it could totally break a finger. All right, so then from here, we are going to take this back. You can see those wet spots that I'm talking about, so that's why it can be helpful for that paper there. And now, we have a nice, smooth slab of clay that is ready to go.